Hello, today we will see crude oil strategy, super fast crude oil strategy. Actually, there are lots of strategies on crude oil we have, and all the strategies working super fine. But as you all know that in this situation, lockdown situation, due to corona issue, there is uncertain moment in crude oil. So that's why we can't take any risk in those strategies. So that's why I will only give you the strategies which are very simple, very much simple, and which will give you quick points. Okay, and the other strategies we will give you in coming week on crude oil after the back testing one more week, because we can give those strategies today also, but what will happen that sometimes you will see some difficulty while executing those trades. Okay, so that's why I have to wait one more week, and after that in next week, that is in coming week on Wednesday or Thursday, I will upload another one strategy on crude oil. Okay, because we can't take risk with your money, with our money, correct? So till then we will see this super fast strategy on crude oil, in which you can watch chart also. You can trade without watching the chart also, but it will be difficult for you if you have habit of watching the chart. So for you, I have set some criteria. First one is you can use 5-minute chart, and the candles will be normal candle, no Heikin-Ashi, no Renko. Okay. Second point is you have to watch the crude price at 9 past 1 a.m. Okay, 9 1 a.m. and if you see that open is equal to high, then we have to sell. If you can see that open is equal to low, then we have to buy. Okay, this is our normal criteria, which we have seen in previous video of trend analysis of Nifty. Okay, so rule is simple: open is equal to low, then we will buy; open is equal to high, then we will sell. But there are more 2 to 3 points. After that only we can trade. Okay, so third point is we will wait till 9:04 a.m. Okay, and we have to check the candle. The candle should be Maru Bozu. Okay, and the range of that candle should be minimum 25 points and maximum 75 points. You can trade while if the maximum points is 80 also, no issues, 80 points also, but the minimum point should be 25. This is compulsory. Okay. Then if this criteria is completed, you can trade. You will immediately place order around 9 hours 4 minutes 30 seconds. It means before closing the 5-minute candle, you will place the order immediately. Okay, in this case the stop loss will be the candle range. That is if you are going to sell, then your stop loss will be the candle high. If you are going to buy, then your stop loss will be candle low, correct? And the target will be 50% of the range of that candle. In this you will win 8 to 9 times out of 10 times, so no worry about the losses. Okay, and the last thing is you can use LIS Blue or Asta Trade for trading with only 3 to 5k margin. It means if you have Zerodha and other brokers which are not providing good margin for crude oil trading, then you can message us. We will open your account in LIS Blue or Asta Trade. in which you will get two benefits. First one is you will get lifetime free calls on crude oil. Okay. Second benefit is we will return your 50% brokerage. Okay. So you will get these two benefits if you are opening account under us. Now come to the trade, come to the example. Okay. So here on 5th May you can see open is equal to low. Okay, here you can see the open is 1600 and low is 1600. So you have to buy, but you have to wait another 4 minutes. Okay, and the candle should be full green or full red, that is Marubozu. Some of you may not know about what is Marubozu. So here is the picture. This is green Marubozu, this is red Marubozu. In this Marubozu candle there is no wick at upper side or lower side. This is full body candle, correct? So that's why this is called as Marubozu, correct? So you have to watch this type of candle only at the beginning, I mean at 9 a.m. If you can see this candle, then immediately before the closing of this candle you have to place buy order, correct? Whenever you will place buy order, your target will be the range of this candle, 50% of the range of this candle. Here you can see open low and high. Low is 1600, high is 1648, means 48 point range. And another one criteria fulfills here, which is the range should be minimum 25 points and maximum 75 points, correct? So this criteria is also fulfilled. So what we will do, we will buy, and according to that the target will be 50% of the range. It means here the range is 48 point, so the 50% is 24, correct? So your target will be 24 points. But I will suggest you, okay, first we will see if our target is met or not. So if you are buying around 1648, suppose you are buying at 1650, so what will happen? First I will clear that you have to buy at market order. Okay, so you can see that, you can say that the closing of that candle, okay, the closing of that candle will be your buy price. Okay, you don't have to put any limit order. Okay, you can immediately buy at the market price or before the market price also, I mean or after the market price you can set the price 1 rupees above. Okay, so in that case your buy order will be definitely executed. Are you getting a point? So suppose you have bought around 1648, or let it be 1650. Okay, so your target will be what? 1650 plus 24 points, so it will be 1674, correct? So here your target met, complete 24 points, correct? And still if you are waiting, you can see the target double, almost triple, correct? So you can trail the stop loss also if you are trading with 2 lots or 3 lots, correct? But your first target will be half of the candle range, correct? So but yes, but first 5 to 6 times I will suggest you to put your target only 15 points. Okay, even if here your target is coming at 24 points, still I will suggest you to book your profit around 15 points for first 5 to 6 trades. Okay, then if you are getting confidence in this strategy, you can trade for full target. Are you getting a point? I think I have cleared all the points. If still you have any doubts, you can watch the video again 2 times, and you can watch this criteria, correct, and then you can trade, correct. This is very simple strategy in which you will get your target within 15 to 20 minutes and mostly 1 hour, correct. So suppose if you are trading with 10k capital and your broker providing one lot of crude in 10k margin, then if you are getting only 10 points also, I am not telling you 15 point, 20 point, 30 point, leave it, only 10 points, then also you are getting 1000 rupees profit, which is 10%, and it is not less. Are you getting a point? In one day 10% profit in just one trade, correct. And the stop loss will not get hitted, so don't worry about the stop loss. Okay, I think I have cleared all the things. Now I have to stop the video. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can watch the video again 1 or 2 times. This is very simple strategy. Okay, goodbye, best of luck.